Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready: your Android phone, a USB cable or reliable Wi-Fi, and the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Download and open the Droid Cam or Irion app on the phone and install its desktop client on your PC. Once both apps are installed, connect the phone by USB or select Wi-Fi mode in the phone app. Make sure you grant camera and microphone permissions when prompted, because without them, the desktop client can't access the stream. Now you'll link the two devices. Open the desktop client and select USB or IP Wi-Fi mode to match your connection. On the phone app, tap Start and confirm camera and microphone access. This authorizes the stream. Once connected, pick the front or rear camera and set resolution to balance quality and bandwidth, for example 720p for stable video. If using Wi-Fi, note the IP shown in the phone app and enter it into the desktop client to establish the stream. Finish by opening Zoom, going to Settings right arrow Video, and choosing the Droid Cam or Irion virtual camera as your video source. Then check Audio. Either mute the phone mic and use your computer microphone or disable the computer mic to avoid echo. If you see lag or dropped frames, switch from Wi-Fi to USB tethering or reduce the camera resolution in the phone app to cut bandwidth. If Zoom still won't show the camera, restart both apps. That resolves most virtual camera permission or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.